Let's make our delicious Hawaii roll. Begin by spreading about 4 ounces of sushi rice over a half sheet of nori. Flip it over. Next, layer on shiso leaves, sliced cucumber, sliced strawberry, fresh tuna, fresh salmon, and pea shoots. Gently roll it first by hand, then use a bamboo mat to roll it tightly, applying gentle pressure as you go. Once rolled, add a refreshing touch by slicing 1 piece of fresh tuna and 1 piece of fresh salmon, then cut each piece in half and arrange the slices on top of the roll alternately. To secure the tuna and salmon, use plastic wrap to shape them tightly before cutting into 9 pieces. After cutting, use the excess plastic wrap to cover the roll and reshape it again with a bamboo mat. Remove the plastic wrap from the roll. Arrange on a plate in a zigzag pattern. Garnish with flowers for an elegant touch. Try this recipe at home and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and follow for more recipes. Thanks for watching, sushi lovers. Until next time, happy rolling.